Hubspot CRM, a comprehensive review. In today's digital age, businesses strive to deliver exceptional customer experiences while efficiently managing their operations. Hubspot CRM stands out as a leading solution, offering a suite of tools designed to streamline customer relationship management processes. Today we'll delve into the ease of use, pros and cons, pricing, suitability, benefits, and provide a compelling call to action for businesses considering Hubspot CRM. Ease of use. Hubspot CRM boasts a user-friendly interface that makes navigating through its features a breeze. With its intuitive design and straightforward setup process, users can quickly get up and running without the need for extensive training. From managing contacts to tracking deals and analyzing performance metrics, Hubspot CRM simplifies complex tasks, enabling businesses to focus on what matters most: building relationships with customers. Pros and cons. Pros. 1. Seamless integration. Hubspot CRM seamlessly integrates with other HubSpot tools, such as Marketing Hub and Sales Hub, providing a unified platform for managing marketing, sales. 2. Robust features. HubSpot CRM offers a wide range of features, including contact management, email tracking, task automation, and customizable reporting, empowering businesses. 3. Scalability. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, HubSpot CRM scales with your business needs, offering flexible pricing plans and customizable solutions tailored to your requirements. Cons. 1. Limited advanced features. While Hubspot CRM offers a comprehensive set of features for basic CRM needs, some users may find the lack of advanced functionalities, such as complex workflow automation or predictive analytics, limiting for more sophisticated requirements. 2. Pricing tiers. While Hubspot CRM offers a free version with basic features, access to advanced features such as email sequences and custom reporting requires upgrading to paid plans. Pricing starts at $800 per month. HubSpot CRM offers a range of pricing plans to suit businesses of all sizes and budgets. The free plan includes core CRM features such as contact management, email tracking, and deal management. Paid plans, starting from the starter plan, offer additional features such as email sequences, custom reporting, and advanced automation capabilities. Pricing is based on the number of users and the level of functionality required, making it flexible and scalable for businesses at any stage of growth. Suitability. HubSpot CRM is ideal for businesses seeking an all-in-one solution for managing their customer relationships effectively. Whether you're a small business looking to streamline your sales and marketing processes or a large enterprise seeking to optimize customer engagement across multiple channels, HubSpot CRM provides the tools and flexibility to meet your needs. With its user-friendly interface, scalability, and seamless integration with other HubSpot products, HubSpot CRM is suitable for businesses in various industries and sectors. Why people should use it. 1. Streamlined operations. HubSpot CRM simplifies complex CRM processes, allowing businesses to streamline their operations and focus on driving growth. 2. Enhanced customer relationships. By centralizing customer data and providing insights into customer behavior, HubSpot CRM enables businesses to deliver personalized experiences and build strong. 3. Scalability and flexibility. With flexible pricing plans and customizable solutions, HubSpot CRM scales with your business needs, making it suitable for businesses of all sizes and budget. Ready to take your customer relationships to the next level? Sign up for a free trial of HubSpot CRM today and experience the power of seamless customer relationship management firsthand. With its intuitive interface, robust features, and scalable solutions, HubSpot CRM is the ultimate tool for unlocking customer success. Don't miss out on the opportunity to revolutionize your business. Get started with HubSpot CRM now. HubSpot free trial.